Good morning, people of Grange in Key Stage 1, Year 1 and Year 2. What I wanted to say to you is I am so proud of you. On Friday, we had a very special visitor and we did a big learning walk, and he saw how much all of you are focused on your learning. And that is brilliant, because if we feel good about our school, if we know that our school is doing well, then we feel good about ourselves and we know we're in a good school and we're doing really well, making loads and loads of progress. Now, I wanted you to be ready for Thursday, because on Thursday we're having two more special visitors, and these visitors are from Harrow, and they're going to be coming around the school in the morning to see that we are all making progress. Key Stage 1, you are just amazing. You always give me incredible CC salutes. But I want to say, when we come in with the visitors, I want to see you really show how good our school is by carrying on learning. Don't get distracted. Don't even greet me. Just carry on learning. Just show that at Grange we use all our time to be learning. If you're moving between rooms, let's say you're going to your phonics group or something like that, remember to do CC walking. Because with CC walking, what we're doing is we're saying, I'm confident about myself, but I really care about my school, care about everybody. I'm going to make sure that the learning is great. I'm going to be quiet and considerate, with my hand on my heart, looking out for myself. And remember to do star sitting. So when you're listening to the teacher, you're really sitting up straight, tracking the speaker, asking and responding like a scholar, and respecting yourself, respecting others, by not letting yourself get distracted. And what I want you to do is keep in your head the whole time, I am making progress. So you know what the learning intention is about, and you are going to for your best in your learning. And don't be afraid to make a mistake, because if we make a mistake, we learn from it. We can do purple pen, we use our feedback from the teacher, and we keep on making progress. So children, I'm looking forward to the Thursday learning walk to show how each of us is really, really making progress at Grange. And we can be proud of our school. We can actually say, be great, be Grange, because we learn here CC way.